Hello friends, in our previous tutorial we actually discussed about how to implement a trie. We also discussed that how a trie node is represented into a trie. So in this tutorial we actually code the basic implementation of a trie data structure. So here I have created one class by name trie having a main method. So let's start our implementation. So friends, in our previous tutorial we discussed that a trie is implemented by a trie node class. So first we'll create a inner class and we'll give the name to it as trie node. Also friends, we discussed that a trie node has two data members. One is trie node array, which are nothing but children of this trie node. The other data member is a boolean value, which signifies that this trie node is nothing but end of the word. So we'll give it a name as isWord. We'll also provide a constructor to this trie node. And inside this constructor, we will initialize this trie node array with a size as 26, because here we are storing English words. So these words are from A to Z. Also, the value of isWord is by default false. So we set its value to be true when this trie node is actually an end of the word. Also friends, we discussed that a trie contains an instance variable whose type is trie node, which is nothing but the root of the trie data structure. So this trie node, which is root, will point to other trie node through this trie node array. We'll also provide it a constructor so whenever we initialize the trie class, we simply create the instance of trie node and we'll assign it to root. So here root is empty. So here whenever we initialize a trie class, root points to the trie node which is empty, and after that we insert a particular word character by character which this root points. So friends, this is how we actually implement a trie using this trie node class. Also friends, in our upcoming tutorial we will see that how we can insert a particular word into this trie. We'll also discuss that how we can search for a particular value, that whether it's there in this trie or not. So friends, in our upcoming tutorial we'll actually see how we can insert a word into this trie, and we'll also see that how we can search for a particular word into this trie. So friends, I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.